morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. Today, I will do your grammar. Last two chapters, chapter number 12 and chapter number 13, I will just take revision. Okay? Because if you are not doing the revision, you cannot understand what we are doing. I will give something to you. If you want, you will open your copy and do it. Okay? If you want, you can open your copy, and if you don't want also, you can tell that answer. Okay, first, fill in the blanks with just am is are, okay, and ing. So, fill in the blanks with am is are with doing words. Fill in the good morning, everybody. Blanks with am, is, are plus doing words. This is the heading. In your exam time, this type of headings will be there. But fill in the gaps, it will be not like this. Only that verb I will give in the bracket. So you have to write in that page number 45 and chapter number 12. No need to open the page number. I will give from me. Okay, something you have to tell the answer, or you have to write in the copy. Let me see who are in the class. Now also I am just seeing that. অভ্রনীল চৌধুরী, আদিত্য মণ্ডল, অদ্রিজা কোলে, আফরিন শেখ, আহানা ঘোষ, আকৃতি কুণ্ডু, অনিক নন্দী, অনির্বাণ রয়, অন্নরেণ্য পালিত, অংশদীপ চৌধুরী, অন্তরা শ, অন্তরীপ দালাল, অরিত্র গাঙ্গুলি, অরিত্র গড়াই, আরিয়ান শেখ. No need to give the P. I will do. Okay, please. Now, okay, Antara Shah, no problem, I know that. So, doing words, okay. I will give number 1, I dash, whatever I will take, you have to write that. Okay, those who are not muting, let me see. Who is not muting? Afrin Sheikh. And everybody is muting that, no problem, that only Afrin Sheikh. Okay. So here, if I am telling I dash, here bracket WRITING. So 2 gap I am giving. So what you will write? Number 2, the teacher dash dash. Here bracket, yeah, I am writing the teaching. So you have to write the full. Okay, now full you have to write. Because if I am giving the doing words in the brackets, you have to write full. Antara Sao. Number 3. The duck, the bird, dash dash, in the bracket, flying in the sky. Number 4, Yes, very good. Antara again has answered. Number 4, that what dash 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 here doing? Question mark. So these 4 questions I am writing. Please write that. I have got some answer. Yes, that I am writing. Teacher is teaching. So whenever you will get like this type of fill in the blanks, you should do like this. Teacher is teaching. Bird is flying. And number 4, answer that. Aryan, you are writing. Please write the answer. Antara, Aryan, if you want, you can answer that. Yes, is teaching. No problem. Teacher is teaching, not writing. Teacher is teaching. The bird is flying in the sky. What are you doing? What are you? Auditro has written, what are you doing? Just question mark. So many things are there. Here, heading I have just rubbed it. What are you doing that? Again, so many here that options are there, but you cannot see me. Beta Aryan, Anshika, I think you are having some network problem. Beta, once you will leave, then again you will join. I think you will solve your problem. Okay. So, if I am telling that number 5, Roma and Rina dash dash here playing. Please write number 5. Number 6. Number 6. Okay, beta, Anshika, thank you. Arna, Antara, please write Roma and Rina are playing. Full you have to write. Number 6, the children dash dash singing. So you have to write children are singing. Are singing. Children are singing. So you have to write like this. Okay, Antara. Very good. So full means just are singing only. Okay, beta, I will upload this class. So children are singing. If you understand, then it will be no problem for you. Just I am revising because you should not forget and you will not do any mistake. Okay. So number 6. So number 7, if I am telling that we dash dash waiting for bus. So we are waiting for number 4. What are you doing? What are you doing? Number 4, what are you doing? Okay. So we are waiting for bus. We are waiting for bus. Okay. So please slowly you should write, and if you don't understand only you can tell me. So many things are there here in your fill in the blanks. So only you should remember that you should add, if I am giving that doing verbs with ing, means doing words with ing, you have to add am, is, are. Okay, am, is, are. So please do like this. So next I will give something from have and has. Please do like this. Okay. We are waiting for the bus. Yes. So next 3 and 4 I am just writing, and I will give something from the have and has. I think now you have understood how you will do the, I will fill in the blanks with am, is, are. Just number not 8, fill in the blanks with have and has. You know that has we are using for that when something is belonging to me. I told that belonging means I am the owner of some things. I am having some things. Fill in the blanks with has and have. Has or have. Number 1. The cow and goat. Cow and the goat dash 8 legs. Okay. So what you can write? The cow and the goat dash 8 legs. Okay, so Aryan, no, actually that is the plural number, cow and the goat. So that is have, okay, not are. So that's why I have given the cow and the goat. When I am telling the cow and the goat, so that is 2. Okay, so have. Here only I have just telling that. So number 5 I am just rubbing that, and here number 2. If I am telling that I dash a blue dress, so please write this. It's very good, Afrin. Aurithro Shet. Oh no, Aurithro are not am. I have. Adrij also, Anshika, they have answered that. Not am. Have. A blue dress. I just told has and have. Fill in the blanks with has and have. So number 3. Number 3, I am telling that yes, the mouse dash a tail. So please write mouse. Okay, Arithro, if you understand, then it will be no problem. Okay, beta. So the mouse has a tail. Number 4. Yes. Hey, Anshika, what are you writing? 174 or all these things, what you are writing? Yes, Obronila has given the answer, Audrey has given the answer. Okay, no problem. Number 4, if I am telling that a parrot parrot dash a green body and red beak. Red beak. Beak means, do you know? That is our lips like this, but bird has beak. Okay. So that parrot has a green body and a red beak. Number 5, the children dash nice toys. So please write have. Very good. Children have, because children is a plural. Children have nice toys. So here, if I am telling that children has, number 2, I am just rubbing that. Number 6, birds dash 2 legs. Okay, birds dash 2 legs. Birds have. Birds have 2 legs. Birds are plural. Okay. Then number 7, a horse dash a long tail. So horse has. Okay, I am just given the revision because you will not do any mistake for the has and have, and also that am is are plus ing. Number 8, if I am telling that do you dash a pen question mark. Can you write do you dash a pen? Have, because do you have, after you should put have. Number 9, we dash many pens. So here also have. Okay, and number 10, Raju dash only 1 pen. So Raju has, because Raju is a singular number. So I told you I have, we have, you have, he or she has, and they have. So please remember all these things. Okay. So I think you will not have any problem. If you are having any problem, please tell me. Okay, no problem. Okay, then bye beta. I have told again Aditya from there Obhirup Datta, Abhranil Chaudhary, Aditya Mondal, Adrij Goswami, Adrija. Oh, green parrot. Let me see who is asking for that. A green parrot has. A green parrot. So green parrot, a parrot has a green body. Okay. That's why I have written. Adrija Kole, Afrin Sheikh, Ahana Ghosh, Akriti Kundu.